We want your dash camera to review. And we're going to compare it against all of the various dash cameras we have. And I think I have over 20 dash cameras here with some of our competitors' products. So we're going to start a whole new system where we rank dash cameras from 0 to 10. And we're going to do the following ranking system. We're going on overall parking mode. We're going to talk about video quality during the day, video quality at night, overall installation design. We're going to talk about the smartphone app and how it works. Now, if the dash camera doesn't have a smartphone app, then it's going to be obviously, we're just not going to rank it on that, obviously, and just omit that category. And video footage retrieval. Because at the end of the day, it's got to be easy to get the video. Because if you get into an accident and you can't get the video easily, and it's a big pain in the butt, and you have to juggle through everything to try and get it working, then realistically, is it a good dash camera? I mean, a lot of times people are buying a cheap dash camera online and they're like, oh, well, it was only 50 bucks and it worked great. And I just met my friend Breton actually for coffee last week. And I was asking him if he had a dash cam. He goes, yeah, I got this $39 special off Amazon. And he goes, the funny thing is every time I got into a car accident, the file was corrupt, it didn't work, and it got nothing. And I've gotten to 2 accidents now, and I didn't learn from the first time because I just had it sitting there on my windshield for 39 bucks. Well, guess what? If that's what you're doing, you're getting what you pay for. But at the same time, sometimes there's some units out there that just aren't good and they mislead you or they don't do what you need them to do. And realistically, you have to ask yourself, what problem am I trying to solve? And our job as entrepreneurs is to help you with that challenge. So we're going to start ranking our dash cameras on this, and we're going to be rolling out with some small videos. And I'm going to tell you this is basically, how do I say this? I've been enlightened by watching Dave Portnoy's One Bite pizza reviews. I mean, he goes around, travels around, sees exactly what he likes in pizza, gives them a ranking. And I'm just thinking, I want to get other dash cameras in here. I want to actually start testing them. I want to see how they do compared to like our Thinkware U3000, the Viofo A139 Pro, the Viofo A229 Pro, which is going to be up and coming review here soon. But I'm going to start rolling out with these very short videos, breaking down the overall opinion of these dash cameras. And for all we know, some of these brands could be dash cameras that we might look at carrying here at Safe Drive Solutions as we're reviewing them. So it will take a little bit of time in terms of actually testing them and seeing how they do. We currently have a FitCam X coming to us right now, which will be getting installed in one of the vehicles, and we're going to actually test it compared to some of our units. That way we can give an overall video quality. Does this thing work well at night? Does it work during the day? How does parking mode work? Does parking mode work? Because realistically, like we've seen on some of the videos where like I've had a Van True and people are buying it and putting it impact only, and 12 seconds later after you get hit, it's recording. It's completely useless. Like, why do you even want one of those dash cameras in your vehicle? However, if you're using it for motion detection, it's going to work great. But keep in mind, it's going to draw 3 to 4 times the amount of current than some of the other dash cameras that we currently sell. So realistically, is it going to last for a long period of time? Or is it going to last for 20 minutes or an hour and shut down? Right? So these are all things that you want to keep in mind when we're looking at how we rank a dash camera. So anyways, here it is, Safe Drive Solutions. We're opening it up for other dash cam brands. So if you want to contact us, reach out on the website. Feel free to email us. Let us know if you're interested. We're going to have some reviews rolling out soon. Cheers.